Well, hello and welcome back to another review. Today we are going to look at the Rebirth RTA by Hellvape and MikeVapes, of course. Now we are in Europe, so we have to deal with the TPD regulations and laws. So instead of the bubble glass inside the box, we get ours separate, which makes this tank a 5 milliliter tank. Now the standard is 2 milliliters. Just gonna have a look in the box what we can find and give you my thoughts on it. On the front, nothing much. Of course, the Hellvape logo, a picture of the RTA, Mike's name. On the top, nothing really, just the Hellvape logo. On the bottom, a barcode with some information, with colors and to TPD. On one side, Hellvape Rebirth RTA, a scratch and sniff, some logos and warnings, social media for Hellvape and MikeVapes, of course. On the other side, some pointers on this RTA, and on the back we have the features and everything inside the box. So just a quick look at the 25 millimeter quarter turn top fill on 2 milliliters with the straight glass. Everything that's inside the box. Hellvape's website. Yeah, let's open it up and have a look. I love these boxes without a cutout. Right, of course the tank, which we'll go over shortly. Then we have a nice Rebirth sticker and a fold out manual if you want to read something. Of course, we find the spares box, in which we find a bunch of O-rings, an extra smoked drip tip, a 510 drip tip adapter, some extra screws, a coil cutting tool, and a flat screwdriver. Right, the tank itself, first glance, looks pretty nice, pretty neat. Finish is okay. 810 drip tip, so your own will fit as well. Machining is pretty good. Nice fat rubber O-ring, and to open this you're gonna push a little quarter turn and it pops out. That's it. Two pretty large juice ports. Here on the top you can see there's a little part sticking out, which also is on the deck, on the cap. And to close it, just push it on, quarter turn, that's it. Threading is pretty smooth. I'll go over the deck shortly. Of course, the standard straight glass. The chimney itself is not bad. There are a few bits inside. I don't know if you can see that. So the finish could be a little bit better, but and then we have the deck. Of course, the first thing we notice, the two Rebirth posts. Huge airflow posts with lots of tiny holes. So this should be a very smooth airflow. Here are the ports for your cotton, and the airflow is a little bit stiff at the moment because it's brand new, but has a stop on it, so fully open and fully closed. The bottom, nothing really special. MikeVapes, Hellvape, and the Rebirth RTA. Now the screws are actually very good. Threading's nice, and they're nice beefy screws. You'll have to go really mad to fuck those up. Alright, let's put a build in it. We'll come back, we'll vape it, and I'll give you my thoughts on this RTA.
Are you out of luck? Do you need a friend to help get by? You can taste the rush if you let me feel you from inside. Why don't you loosen up and come a little closer? I'll take the pain away, you'll thank me when it's over. You don't know it yet, it's worth the regret. Let me show you how I got you now. You can't get out. Won't let you escape from what you're a slave to. You're everyone I use and abuse, so follow me. Have you had enough? I can see it hidden in your smile.
Right. The Rebirth RTA. On the drag, maybe a bit difficult to see because it's a dark version, but hey, that's the one I got, so sorry. I'm running a dual coil Alien 0.20 at 70 watts. Gives me a nice warm vape, but that's personal, of course. Now the tank. I like it. Of course, the finish on the inside could be better. There's a bit of rust, oxidation, I don't know what it was. But it's just little things like that. Overall, it's a great tank. I wouldn't compare it to the one I did, for instance, recently, the profile mesh tank, because one is mesh, one is coils. Really don't want to get into that story. I like simple coils, I don't like mesh, but it's personal. But I like the tank. It's simple, it's easy to build, it's nice and clean. I really enjoy it. The airflow is easy to set. Just a drop of liquid just between the airflow and it makes it so much smoother. It really doesn't get that warm. The airflow is good, the taste is good, great flavor, especially with that raised airflow. It's not easy to make this one leak. Because of all the holes, it's also really smooth airflow, and regards to leaking, you could even take the top cap off and put it back on, and that still isn't leaking, and that's mostly due to the raised airflow inside the tank. I really like it. It's easy to build, like I said. Each wick has its own little juice well. yeah, it's a thumbs up for me. Seems like Mike has knocked one straight out of the park again. Alright, that's it for me. Really don't have anything else to say about this tank. Other than I really enjoy it. Yeah, if you like this review, give a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give a thumbs down. It's your choice. If you want to see more of me, hit subscribe and the bell next to it. That way, every time I upload a new video, you get a message. If you want to share your thoughts, please leave a comment down below. And that's it for me. Hopefully till next time. And for now, bye bye.